was suspect before. Now it's going to be things beyond food. Well, so you're great to say you're going to lose money on this because the food's going to become more expensive. People are less of it. It's really always great to make money. They could open beyond 4 p.m. They close at 4 every day because they've run out of things. Make some more things. You've run out of rolls. It's your only job. Go and buffer a roll. It's not, I don't like plastic. I used to eat coffee, but I used to live really close to a bakery. And I used to eat coffee from. You still have a buffer bread. I used to do it like that. That's what I'm trying to say. I used to live a buffer bread. Near a and I used to always eat the sausage rolls were really nice. They were like someone had vomited mashed pig into the sauce. I can't eat it. They're like a hot pig smoothie.